Yo, what's up? It's your boy Lil Rock 25 taping the tape out like always. You heard? Listen,
we
we
just
just
vibes, that mono nigga. Bow, we in New York. Bow.
we in a pizza store right now. You feel me? This is my first time getting New York pizza. This is my first time in New York.
First time, nigga.
Where we at?
We at La Villa. You know the vibe. Come check us out. Queens, New York. Bow.
I was trying to tell him, man, you ain't had real pizza. You ain't slide New York.
Fuck downtown. Fuck downtown.
Hit him up on the gram then. Be like, yo, be at Moonus at 8. We got a dip. Cause there's traffic. Bow.
Nigga, go get some if you want to.
Let me see some of that, man.
Oh, yeah. You ain't lie. After the gym is quiet.
Nah, yeah, after the gym is quiet, dude.
Should they go?
Bow.
Oh, shit.
I'm trying to see you on shaking on me. Shit don't hit you the baddest in the spot. Different type of four ways to the fucking lot. One call partner for the weed and section. So you didn't want to fuck him so then. Fun shit on my body. Fun shit, I'm trying to drown it. I didn't woke up the kid without it. Swimming in your ocean, girl, I'm drowning. They keep on surrounding. This shit too crowded. I can't allow it. Body, put her like origami, she off the like a she off the Molly. Fun shit, I'm tryna see some. 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 Yo, bow. Yo, we outside, I ain't gonna lie. Zeddy!